Just a normal Tuesday night. Just hanging out here. Some George Jones. I know it's usually the rap music, but when you're doing 1960s stuff, you gotta have 1960s music. So today it's just George Jones. That's what's suitable right now. So what we're working with is the trusty 799s from Matt's truck. They're not completely cleaned up yet, but they're close. But you can see it here. Oh, look at that iPhone. A little bit of pitting on the valve seat. So you might be thinking, Johnny, you ain't got any machining equipment. Well, that's where you're wrong. You can have some too. It's quite reasonable. So just for the sake of comparison, got a little beforehand here. See the valve seat compared to the valve. So in our little Amazon package, we get fine metal grinding compound, and we get coarse metal grinding compound. No machinist here, but I think we're gonna go with the fine metal because the coarse just seems really aggressive for something like this. So let's start off with the fine metal, see where that gets us. And as they say in the biz, here we go. Oh yeah. I seriously hope none of you thought I was actually gonna sit there with that suction cup from 1965 and do this. So, a little lube for the high speed. One imported drill. One piece of hose. Party time. Woo! Alright, these exhaust valves they're tough. They've seen their better day. So got most. The seats clean up good, but the valves not so much. So I think we're gonna go with the old if it holds water theory. Or in this case, it holds brake clean. Something about surface tension, things that I don't really understand, but people that I won't name told me so. So, brake clean test. Looking good. Looking good. So there you be. A little after. Still some pitting, but hey, they hold water, so I don't know what more guy can want. Certainly better than what we started with. Good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, 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 good. So that's probably it. That's about it for this week. Now you also know how to fix your heads for $0. No, that's a lie. Not zero. $5. $18. A few bucks. For a few bucks, you know how to fix your heads. So, $10 valve job, $400 worth of springs. Perfect combination for an LS motor. That's probably it for the weekend. What is that? Choppy spot in the beard. Anyhow, that's about it. I'm going fishing for the weekend. Going with Matt. I don't know. Maybe he's like super disappointed because I'm not moving fast enough, and maybe he buries me under the ice and you never see me again, and all of a sudden these videos are made by Matt. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Check back next week. Stand by.